Hello, this is Miss Emerson. I'm going to show you how to do the human geography notes for your country. So the My Country human geography notes. So the first thing you need to do when you get to Schoology is click on the Grades tab. And I want you to scroll down and you're going to look for the name. My Country Physical Features Notes. Okay, here we go. Human Geography Notes. Now, this student has already finished, but I'm going to show you what the assignment looks like. So once you get to the assignment, there's an example there. Remember, when we're talking about human geography, we are talking about people, humans. The last one that you did was physical geography. That's about the earth. This is about humans. This is about people. And so you are going to complete this assignment, and there's an example of it right here if you want to see it. What you will do is you will open your assignment, and now yours will open. This one says private access because this is another student's. But it will open up and it will look something like this, okay? And I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to make a copy of this for myself. And so yours will be blank. It will look like this. Okay, and when you're finished, yours for your country will be full of information. Okay, so I've already done an example, but I'm going to do one again just to show you what it looks like. So this one will not be exactly the same as the other one, but it will be close. So My Country brochure. Well, for mine's the United States. I'm going to put the country name here. Country name. And the first thing we will look at is culture. Culture is how people live. What is their way of life? So you'll find something that shows the culture or cultura. Here it says culture, the way people dress, the way they live. So you're going to go up here to make this a little bigger so you can see it. You're going to go up here to image, search the web, and then you'll look here to find some sort of picture of the culture in your country. So I'm going to do American culture. That's probably going to bring some things up that will show something about the United States. Now there's Native American culture, but that's just part of United States culture. I want to look at something that shows some more information about different groups of people. I'm going to change this because I'm not finding what I'm looking for. I'm just getting one group, and I want to see what does it look like for many groups. Well, I'm not really getting it here. This is not working. So what I will do is I will open a new tab, and I'm going to look for my pictures here. Let's see, culture, United States, and see what it gives me. If it doesn't give me the information I want, I might have to go someplace else. So, okay, so, here this shows some children celebrating the July 4th. And let's see, here are some things that show different things about American culture. So let's see, that's a small picture. So small pictures are not very good. You want to make sure that it is a big picture. So let's see here. Maybe I'll look for a holiday or something like that. Oh, here's American culture. It shows that Americans are international. That means that they're very different. Here is something else I could do. There's an American parade. There we go. And these are some people who are dressed up for the 4th of July, for Independence Day. That is a very important holiday in our culture. So I am going to make a copy of this picture. You can make a copy right here and copy it, copy the link. Okay, just click on it. Oh, wait a minute, I don't want the link. Never mind. Okay, so let's see here. Well, I'm going to right click and I'm going to copy image, and then I'm going to go back to my picture, my area where I need the picture that shows the culture of my country, and I'm going to put that there. So this shows the 4th of July, which is a very important holiday. So in here, I'm going to put captions. A caption shows, tells what a picture is about. So this caption is about the 4th of July holiday in the United States. Okay, so you can show holidays or customs, things that people do, how they dress. Then you're going to look for 5 important things about your country's culture, and you can decide. It should be things that are special to your culture. So for music, I'm going to put rock. It's called rock and roll, which is a kind of music that was created in the United States. So I would like you to find music that's not from the United States, but from your country: Liberia, Nicaragua, Guatemala, Mexico, wherever it is that you are from. And then clothing, holidays, I already put the 4th of July. And I'm just going to put one holiday, not many, just one today. And what kinds of clothes? Well, blue jeans. That's a kind of clothes that is just comes from the United States. Okay? And so I don't want you to put down blue jeans because blue jeans came from the United States. But what do you wear in your culture that is special? What's the name of it? Is it a special kind of dress that you wear or things like that? And then I'm going to put a sport that comes from the United States, not from other places. Soccer was not invented in the United States, so I will not put soccer. I'm going to put football. So what is a sport that was created in your country that maybe other countries don't do, or at least the United States doesn't do? And then for religion, that's what is the main religion in your country? Christianity is the main religion, but many people follow many others. Okay, so others like Islam or Hinduism or others. But the main religion in the United States is Christian, okay? Christianity is the religion. Or if you are from a country where most of the people are Muslim, then the religion is Islam. Then the next thing you want to do is look at the government. So looking here, the government is the people who run your country, okay? So I want to find something about the United States government. So for this one, I'm going to go up here and find something about the United States government. And I'll go here like that, get rid of that, United Okay, so these show pictures of government. This is the picture of the Capitol building, of the White House. You could show buildings, or I want people in the United States vote. I'm putting in the United States. I don't want voting in Mexico, right? So this shows people, and there's President Obama. And there's President Obama voting. People vote where only they can see. And then you can make that smaller. Okay. And then 3 things about, I think that got erased. Oh, there we go. About the government of my country. So these are things that if you already know them, then you put down what you know. If you don't know them, then I want you to go back to the internet and you would look for your country. And I would say you can put, like for example, I'm putting United States government facts. Okay, facts are things that are, that just give information. Okay. So we could say, let's see, I don't want all of these. This is called branches of the U.S. government. And there are 3 branches or 3 parts of the government. So I think in mine, for mine, I'm going to put that there are 3 parts. The government has 3 parts. And on there it said legislative, executive, judicial. I don't think I spelled that right. Executive, judicial. And that's, legislative is about laws. Executive is the president. And the judicial is called the Supreme Court. Okay. And they decide on laws, if laws are okay or not. Now, then you'll find more information. Again, if you know that information yourself, you can come up with it. But the next thing you'll do is do a picture of me in my country that shows my culture. So I'm going to find a picture of myself that I know of and that I have on my computer that shows my culture. In American culture, people like to ride motorcycles very, very much. So I'm going to go find that picture of me on my motorcycle. And I'm going to put that there, but see, it's too big. So I need to make it smaller. So I'll click on the picture and then I'll use my, my little mouse pad to make this smaller like that. Okay. Okay. So, and then where you were born. So I was born in Canton, Ohio. And I'm about to run out of time, so I think the rest of this you can get on your own. What are the 5 biggest cities? And then what's something that you really like about your country? What are your favorite things? So good luck and ask for help if you need it. An example of a favorite thing, by the way, could be someplace you'd like to go, something you like to do, things like that. So good luck and work hard.